to change the way you feel, to change your emotions right now, consider this. Think about the meaning you place on the events of your day, okay? Let's say you wake up and you wake up late. What does that mean? Now, someone who's unhappy is going to choose that I woke up late and that means my day is going to be horrible. That means that things are going to go wrong. This always happens to me. And then what happens then is the event and the meaning together create the feeling, and then that feeling produces similar thoughts that keep that feeling going. And then you're in a vortex and you go from one thing going wrong, which is the alarm not going off, and then you coming to the conclusion that your day is ruined. All within minutes, all based on the meaning that you placed on the event. The meaning you place on events in your life is critical. Now let's go and look at it a different way. Same situation, okay? The alarm goes off and I'm late. Okay, let's look at it this way. Way I would look at it, I don't need an alarm anymore because I wake up so early. There's no reason to ever get up that early. So I never need an alarm. However, if my alarm goes off wrong or doesn't go off at all, my response, well, first of all, you want to respond instead of react. A reaction is just going to be autopilot based on your past. A response is where you create a little space, think for a moment, and say, okay, something happened. How do I choose to respond? There's a little bit more of choice involved when you respond versus react. And it just is a little more empowering. So I like to respond. So I wait a moment, I say, okay. And then I say to myself, what meaning would I like to place on this event? And just that simple question awakens me to the fact that it's a choice. And it's my choice. It's not your choice. It's not anyone's choice other than my own. And so I better choose wisely because it's all about the label that I place on it, the meaning that I place on the event. And then when you have an event happen and you place that meaning on it, and then you have that emotion, then that becomes your memory and your experience. And so that could literally, just you changing the meaning of the events in your day can change completely your day and then feed into the next day, into the next thought, to the next feeling. They're all tied in. It's like a string, right? And so you want to be very careful. Now, think about this. Let's say something goes wrong, like the alarm, and I say, well, you know what? It happened. Okay, it happens. So think about it. Within 10, 15 seconds, I've gone from the same event happening to me taking maybe 5 seconds to think about the meaning, realizing that, yeah, it might be a little bit of a pain because it's going to throw off what I'm doing. However, I personally chose to let it go because I didn't want my vibe to decrease. I didn't want my cortisol to increase. And I didn't want to feel that feeling in my stomach that I know I would get if I went this way and said, oh my God, here we go. This is what's going on. For me, I'm just aware, like, hey, I don't want to feel a certain way. So if I just shift my label from this label to this one, I'll feel better. It's just a conscious awareness. It's a choice. It's taking a moment to ask yourself one simple question. What meaning do I want to place on this event? Right? It's just so simple. And this is so critical because think about how many experiences you have throughout a day, okay? And so, I mean, God, I don't even know what the number would be. 20, 30, 50? I mean, it depends on how hard you break it down, right? If all of a sudden, I like to take cold showers. Sometimes I'll even go so far as to say, hey, me taking a cold shower means that I'm doing something great for my body. It means I'm boosting my immunity. Sometimes I will even take actions or you can call them events, but I will consciously take actions and proactively label the meaning that I place on those actions so that they serve me well and they make me feel the way I want to feel. Hey, if I go into this cold shower for 3 to 5 minutes, that means that I'm doing something great for my body. Okay, what's the resulting emotion? I feel proud. I feel accomplished. All right, cool. What do we got next? Well, I'm going to go have a glass of water with a lemon in it. Really? All right. Sounds so simple, right? Well, if you just say, well, I'm just thirsty, I'm having a drink of water, then that's the meaning you place on it. Then drinking water is a meaningless event, right? Because it's the meaning you placed on it. Okay? Something as simple as drinking a glass of water and the meaning you place on it could completely change things. let's run through this. I've got the glass of water. I drink it. I was just thirsty. That's all. I mean, I'm not going to overanalyze. All right. My emotional response, neutral. Doesn't mean anything. If I go the other way, oh my God, I had this glass of water. It's nourishing my body. I'm getting hydrated. I know when I'm hydrated, what that means is my brain's going to function a little better. And you know what? I just feel better. That's cool. Oh, hey, by the way, I did another thing because I just took a cold shower. Now I'm drinking water. Now I've done 2 things within less than 10 minutes to make my body better and honor my body. And that means a lot to me. That means that I'm on track. And I've only done it. It was only taking 10 minutes. Wow. Wonder what other great things are coming my way. Wonder what other great things are coming my way because my emotional vibe is high. And a lot of times when you have a certain emotional vibe, you'll tend to vibe in that same level. So if something goes wrong, you tend to say, oh, it's going to be one of those days, and you start circulating it on that lower vibe. Okay, why not raise it up? Raise the vibe up. Raise it up. Be a conscious creator of your vibration, of your feelings, of your emotions through the meaning you place on events. It's that simple. I challenge you to put this tool into action. What meaning will you place on things tomorrow? Super powerful, super amazing. You'll have fun with it too. To be honest with you, it really can be fun. So have fun with it. And let me know what your experience is like. Would love to hear them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We want to stay in contact with you and keep sharing some great tips to help you get your mind dialed. And my name is Dr. J. Cavanaugh of thevibemindset.com. Feel free to check out our website. We've got some free resources for you there you can check out. And we've got some paid resources too, which are even better. Because I bought a pizza today and I have no idea why it was so damn expensive. What did I spend on pizza today? It was expensive. So sign up for something. Something not free so I can get more pizza. I'm just kidding. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. I ate too much pizza today, but it did taste good. And you know what? Here's another thing. If you do eat something you enjoy, don't feel the next day you need to pay for it in a calorie-wise or now I have to work out to earn my pizza. I don't buy into that philosophy, and nor should you. All right, thank you so much. And we've got other videos here if you want to check them out. That went weird fast. Anyways, we got some videos up here. Feel free to check them out. Definitely appreciate your time. Thanks for listening to the end here. I really am grateful for that. Thank you so much. Take care.